Biz sabada mında biz çiçek dostumuzla sabah alıp geldik. Maksat özümüzden şoşu bistəni.
Salam cemaat. Salam cemaat. Vlogni boshlab jibaraman. Men hozir Qozonda avulga yo'l tutam. Ham bilasizmi, men kim bilan qaytam? Charli bilan. Gaddi ingliz егете Londondan. Ham biz Aның bilan muncha akrashakmiz. Shong'ida shu ochaqmiz. Qolibsiz. Qarsa bosib ko'ramiz. Do'stlar, biz mana taksida boramiz. Salam Charli.
Salam.
Salam.
Salam. Hello.
All right. So this is Charles, everybody. From the capital of Great Britain, London. How are you feeling? Are you like
good? Yeah, I'm excited. See more of Tatarstan.
Yeah, we're gonna go to the district centre first.
Yeah, do some skiing.
Yeah, try and go skiing. My friend Nias is gonna meet us there. This is the first time you go to like a Tatarian village, right?
Yeah. Yeah, first time.
So last year you studied in Kazan. You learned Russian.
Yeah, I learned a bit in Edinburgh.
Right, Edinburgh.
And then I came here for a whole year in Kazan.
Yeah, cool. Why would you like to see a Tatarian village?
Why?
Yeah. Why are you so excited about it?
I mean, sounds cool.
Yeah.
New culture, something different. See how it differs from a Russian village. I've also seen Ukrainian villages. I've heard Tatarstan's got like the highest quality of life.
Oh yeah.
So, interesting.
Sabam minin güzel yağım, etyetlerdey balaşağım, sin ağına tarladık.
Nasıl?
O bizim beşikten mi? Settlement. No go.
Niyaz'ın biraz İngilizce seçken şu an. Koyda biz nişliyiz gayet.
Biz sabada. Onda lışıtlarından öğretti.
Nasıl öttü?
Lışıtlarından
Şangı yarışı. Hey Charles, how are you feeling?
Great.
Going skiing.
Big temle. Big temle. Ben bunda sabada bizim iностранец.
Nega?
Mıyık var mıyım?
Bayağı kaya mıyık var ya?
Yani.
Mustache would be mıyık.
Mustache. Şu anda şu an biz sen bu aynı. O просто барып gidiyoruz hazır. Motorlukun avuluna.
Biz bugün İngiliz Karolyan su ketamiz.
Podşasın.
İngiliz podşası. Anasımız Angliya muhtavar sakır.
Yo'q bizga aytdi boshqa yashadan dedi Angliyada.
Kirib boramiz.
Foto.
Men nishda qo'shaytirib aytam, shu xatni kontrollayman.
Where are we going?
Into the wild.
How do you like?
Normal. I'm having my tea at 5 o'clock for this time. Yeah.
Oh, it's 5 o'clock. Yeah, 5 o'clock.
Having it in Tatarstan with some chang, which is a change. It's interesting.
Would you bring this to England and let people try and...
I have done that before.
You have, right?
Mixed impressions.
Okay.
Some people really like it, yeah.
What's your personal opinion on that?
I like chang a lot. I like it more than the people I give it to, though.
Okay. Charles, tatar sarıklarına pişen aşıda. So you've been to a farm before, right?
I've been on a farm before.
You've worked there?
I suppose you can say that, yeah. In Ukraine and England, all children have been on farms.
Tatar tavukları bilen. Okay, let's go start Munça. Would you like to try and put some wood in there?
I'll give it a go.
Charlie got Munça yaptırıyoruz. Uh-oh.
It's gone out.
Just put it in there.
Do you use those things?
There we go. No, we don't have them, unfortunately. That would be really good. I usually do that, see?
Bellows, they're called.
I would say ırdırgış in Tatar, I guess.
Öldürülüş.
Yeah. Demek biz yavaş verdik mi? Şana tizden bize kıraşak biz.
When it's warm, yeah.
Yeah. Should wait a bit though. So usually this one actually, this metal one takes like an hour to heat.
I really want my own banya. Maybe in Scotland one day.
A Scottish
I
muncha.
live in Scotland though, yeah.
Okay. You're doing well. Becoming more tatar and gonna eat more ishbishmak and then tokmash.
Tokmash.
How did you like the food?
Tokmash. Yeah, I love the food. Good Tatar food. Tried also the gelatin things.
Haladiyets.
Haladiyets. That bit weird. Some vegetarianцы.
Are you a veg? Right.
Vegan даже. Что-то новое. Flexigan.
Flexigan.
A flexigan.
Oh right. So when
It's
you're
I-
tatar, you eat
Yeah.
meat, and then when you're English,
It's like when I'm at home buying things for myself.
Yeah.
really good. But when I'm in the lovely, luxurious, culinary region of Tatarstan, then you know
you're a Flexigan.
things have got to change.
Oh yeah. You know what I thought? We don't really appreciate where like we live, the conditions that we live in, and like
Oh yeah, I was talking about that with your dad. He was like, it's way better to live in the village than the city. Do you think so?
I can't agree with that because you know
You're young.
you don't know anything about life.
No, I didn't mean like that. You know.
No, I mean
Maladors.
yeah, in terms of like a place to live in, it's a great place. The atmosphere, I like the atmosphere. Like I was born here, and I'm a village boy, but in terms of I'm
I'm a village boy.
a village boy. It's a new song upcoming next year when Charlie comes back here.
What? I'm a village boy.
Yeah, we're gonna work on that the whole year. So we started building the beat today. Continue,
Oh, yeah.
and we need to finish that.
I can't imagine how that beat is gonna. I'm the village boy.
Oh. Work on the farm every day. I feed the sheep. Sheep? Sheep. Charles bizga süt olib qaytdi. How was it? Did you meet the man who gave you the milk?
Бүгінгі ешілерге дискотека керек. Қазір китаплар, оқилар сирек. Клубларға жиылып, бірге біралар. Бейіп яңа музыка, анда тынылар. Жиылай дискотекада бірге дуслар. Уни бүгінгі заманлы жырлар. Кішкенеде ыңғайлы кім жылы анда. Ираттан көріне, ұтлары бірында.
Yaxşı jibərdi vay. Charles'dan intervyu alır bizden. Tatır apaları. Oh, this is beautiful. I love going here. Manzara. Biz de Fikeringне so'qalam degan ayda. O'xsha boshlaymiz. Min o'tibmiz.
Look at the fun and feeling. Ba-da-ba-da-da-da. Feeling good.
Skamini tunda.
I got no reason, so